It's a Road Rage Wednesday! Man, look at all these people they block in. Man, they're not gonna be able to leave the house for at least a week. I'ma tell you right now, the government tell the plow truck to block these people in, so they gotta stay in the house in a quarantine. Son of a bitch. Well, look at this stupid Mbambid. He tried to make it up the hill in the snow with a little smart car. My, you lucky they don't check your IQ before they let you buy a smart car, or else you be taking the bus. Car, it's not made for the snow, and that's why he's stuck. Now I can't move. I gotta sit and wait in my truck. And I'm not gonna help him. This jackass is on his own. If you not got all-wheel drive, keep your ass at home. Hello.
Hey, Uncle Vinny, I just spoke to Zia Lucia. She said you went out? Why would you drive in this?
Anthony, I cannot stay in the house with you, Anthony, too long. I'm losing my mind.
But how are the roads?
They're not too bad, but tell you the truth, I almost crashed before.
You almost crashed. What happened?
I'm making the left by the school, and I don't see there was some black guys, and I hit.
You did what?
Don't worry about it, I'm okay.
I'm glad you're okay. What about them?
Them? Who's them?
The people you hit?
People I hit? I don't hit no people, I hit the black guys. That's when the ground it's frozen and you cannot see.
Oh, you said black ice. Oh, thank God. I almost had a heart attack.
I don't understand. We pay all this tax and the plow truck, they never clean nothing. They plow the snow like I plow my wife. They take forever to come. When they finally show up, they only do it for 2-3 minutes. And when they finish, nobody's ever satisfied.